any software algorithm misbehaves. That is why when we started the world of software, one of the most important things was quality assurance and the test function, QA. And in deterministic systems, which were the software programs before the AI era, you have a test. You write some piece of software, then you write a test to make sure it is behaving exactly as you intended it to be. However, in the world of AI, these are stochastic probabilistic models, and there is no one right answer. So the old way of testing no longer applies, and we have something called evals now. Now we evaluate the models to probabilistically and stochastically determine if the model is working as intended. Now apply the same thing to the software of life, which is your mind. So how the human brain works has inspired the modern AI era. And that is great. If we now look at what we're applying to the artificial intelligence, to our mind, and that is the spiritual process, the inner engineering, to our mind itself. And mind is a stochastic model. It produces all kinds of results, not all aligned with your happiness and joy. So shouldn't we be applying some of these concepts of eval to our own software, our own mind, if it is creating suffering in your life, and that suffering is coming from the way your software, your mind is operating? Shouldn't you have an eval mechanism and then fine-tune it to produce the result that you want it to produce, which is eventually happiness and joy?